Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your YouTube search history or your watch history. Really easy and simple to do, and it's all done just on the YouTube application. So all you got to do is just head over to YouTube, open up YouTube, and just make sure you're logged into the account that you want to clear the search history on. And then all you have to do is click on your account profile picture in the top right corner, and then you just want to go to Settings. And then on the iPhones, the setting is actually a bit more down. On Android phones, it's pretty much right here on the first time you click on Settings. But on iPhones, you have to continue to scroll down. And then you just see under History and Privacy, it says Clear Watch History and Clear Search History. So you can just click on Clear and clear that. And the same thing for the search history. And then what you could do as well is if you don't want to record from now on, you can click Pause Watch History and Pause Search History here. So then you don't have to always clear it. But anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.